guys, it's Jarrell. Today I'm going to be cleaning my room. I know, it sounds like the most boring video ever, but I'm obsessed with watching these videos because it's so satisfying to see people clean their rooms. I don't know why. My room was super messy. I uploaded one of these videos during summer. It did really well and you guys really liked it, so I was like, you know what? Every time my room's dirty, I'm going to make one of these videos. So my plan was that I was gonna redo it and redecorate it after cleaning it, but I think I'm gonna save that for a different video because I have like a bunch of decorations to do, stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna do like a whole Christmas decorations video. I'm gonna put up photos and then reorganize my clothing rack, stuff like that, to make it more festive and like warm feeling in here. But for now, this is just a cleaning my room video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching it, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start on my desk area because it's one of the bigger parts of my room. It's like the first thing you see when you walk in the door, so I want it to be clean first because I feel like if I see that like cleaned, then it'll motivate me to like keep going with the rest of my room. So I'm going to start right here. Okay, so I got this whole section done. It looks so much better now. It honestly doesn't even take that long. You just like have to have patience and get it done, and it looks so much nicer. So at the end of the video, I'll wipe everything down and then throw away the trash, do all of that. So right now, all the stuff is off and it's not clean yet, but it looks so much nicer and it's all organized and put away, and it looks, oh my god, it looks so good. I'm gonna clean this section because I feel like this is also kind of what you see when you walk in the door. I don't know, I don't really go in an order when I clean my room. I'm kind of just going like in parts so that like the big sections are cleaned off. But this is disgusting. I mean, I have like trash and like a bunch of crap, so time to clean this. Okay, so this section is pretty much done. I have everything kind of organized and put away. It's not the prettiest part of my room, but I mean, it's there. I have everything necessary right here. So I'm gonna wipe it down again at the very end of this video. But I think next I'm gonna move on to probably my laundry. That's like the worst part for me, is my laundry and like making my bed, because my laundry just adds up over time, and since I just got back from a trip, I have like a lot of clothes to put away. So I really don't want to, but I have to just do it. I took all the clean clothes from off my desk and put them on my bed, and then I have this entire basket full of clean clothes that I just like set in that basket every time I'm done wearing them. But I also have clothes in here that I'm gonna sell on Poshmark, so I'm not sure where I'm gonna put those. Over here I have a whole laundry basket of clean clothes. I just washed these yesterday, and then those are clean. Like, oh my god, I have stuff everywhere, so I have to put all this stuff away. I'm gonna do that right now and get going on my clothes. Okay, so I'm doing my laundry right now. I just was fixing up my closet because there's like a ton of stuff all over the floor that's like shoes and like trash. You could see me throwing like the trash. So my closet's looking better, even though you guys didn't see what I just did. It looks like way better inside. So my closet is still a mess, like all the way up there. Disgusting. There's like shelves and okay, you guys, so I have officially completed most of the stuff I have to get done. The only things I have left are making my bed and then this last shelf to clean off, but I'll show you guys what I've done so far. So this whole part is cleaned off. I have like a couple things on my floor. My bed is not made yet, but this is all done. This whole part is done. My clothing rack is looking a little messy, but I think I want to make a separate video where I actually redecorate my room, because I want to redecorate it for Christmas. And then I have some photos to hang up on my wall, and then I could just redo this whole part to make it just like festive clothes, stuff like that. So I think this is just going to be like a cleaning your room video, and then my next video will be a redecorating your room video. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, on the bottom here I have my shoes, my backpack, looks good. This is a light that I use. I put a pillowcase over it to diffuse the light, but it looks kind of weird, so I just put it in a corner. And then I have my trash. I have to throw that away. My desk is done. I just have a couple things I just set there so that I could put it away after. My phone, I'm gonna clean off this. I'm just gonna leave this basket. It's all clean clothes, I don't care. And then some stuff down there. So I'm gonna finish up. Yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna clean my bed. Make my bed. So let's start doing that.
Oh, this world is way too much for me. Try to run, but keep on stumbling. Try to talk, but keep on mumbling.
Okay, so my bed's made. It's not perfect. I don't care. It's made, and then everything else is done. I'm gonna put away the stuff on here, and then my room is complete. So my room is finally done. I'm really happy. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of how everything looks. I'm actually so tired. I've been doing my room for like 2 hours now, but I can relax. I'm done. I'm so happy. And that's it. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. My room's clean now. It's really exciting. Follow me on Instagram and Poshmark to see what I'm selling and all of that. And I love you guys so much. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.